I've been working on a Lego Sukhoi 57. It didn't take me as long as many other jets to make, maybe it's just because I'm getting better at it, but it has some really cool functions which I'll begin by showing you. First of all, the engines, well, first of all they're blue, but they perform the different things for the jet. So you twist this engine and the bomb hatches open. And the other engine, if you twist it, the landing gear come out. And they can be put back down again. Now, these back landing gear hatches have to be put like that while it's landing, otherwise they drag on the ground and may come off. But it's easy enough to just adjust back and put the the wheels back down. Turning it round, there are the ailerons, and that's the same on the other side, and the elevators. And I think that these act as rudders. It does the same on the other side. Finally, you can put a minifigure in the cockpit. I don't actually, well, I'll take a clone trooper who I have lying around here. He'll fit. And it closes up like so. Here's the bottom side of the front. You can see the air intakes. They're not perfect. Oh yes, yes. These things which act as canards here in front of the intakes, swivel up and down, they're not especially strong, but in order to get the shaping right it had to be like that. And I got the pattern on the top of the wings, I think quite nicely, and to a degree on the bottom side of the wings.